Hi everyone, I'm Nicole Hemrick and I'm the managing partner at Hemrick O'Malley PLLC. Today I'm continuing on discussing President Biden's executive order, which he announced on June 18th, 2024. We've talked a lot about parole in place, but there's something else in here that's very interesting. And that is that there's going to be some relief for people who have DACA and other dreamers. Who are these other dreamers? It seems that they are people who have earned a degree from an accredited U.S. institution of higher education in the United States. Okay, so what can these dreamers and DACA recipients get now? Now there's a possibility, if they have an employment offer from a U.S. employer in a field that is related to their degree, they may be able to get a work visa. How would this work? So the employer would still have to go through the process of sponsoring them, whether it's for an H-1B or an O-1 visa or a different type of employment-based visa. And then the process would involve the beneficiary, meaning the DACA recipient or other dreamer, attending a visa interview at a U.S. consulate or embassy in his or her home country. Now, why didn't people do this in the past? That is because typically by leaving the United States after a period of not having status within the United States, you would trigger a 3 or 10-year bar to re-entry to the United States. Now, what's going to change with this executive order is that the process to get waivers, they're called D3 waivers for non-immigrants, they're going to be streamlined. They're supposed to be looked at more favorably for these dreamers and DACA recipients. Consular officials will be tasked with reviewing these waiver applications in a more favorable light and even recommending them for expedited review when they send them on to CBP, which has to essentially approve the waiver itself. There are going to be changes to the Foreign Affairs Manual that will guide consular officers regarding how they should be reviewing these waiver applications. And we're expecting this guidance to come out within about a month. That said, anytime you're going to be departing the United States, it's not without risk, but this is certainly a step in the right direction. And if you are one of those people that is willing to take a calculated risk to potentially better your life, better your family's life, then we're happy to discuss this and any other options that may be available with you. Our telephone number is 833-848-7838. You can also check us out at www.hemrick.law. We'd be happy to discuss your immigration questions with you.